Hi guys, my name is Dustin Van Fleet, owner and creator of Dustin Van Fleet Designs down in Valdosta, Georgia, and welcome to Hometalk. We're first going to begin by taking our paint. I choose on this one. I haven't given you guys specifics on the paint because you pick the color that you like best. I'm using some Peacock by Paint Couture. We already have our brush out and it's ready. This is easy peasy, guys. And when you use Paint Couture, a lot of times it will only take one coat. This is a fun and easy project that you can do with your kids. You can give as gifts. Everybody loves these. So we're officially painted on that front. We're going to take our blow dryer and we're going to speed up this process. Easy peasy, just like I told you. We've got our paint on here. Now we're going to use our Loctite super glue. And let me see here. We are going to put him on here. So you put your glue on the metal. Don't press too hard, guys. I had to learn this the hard way. That when you do, your finger is going to get glued on here. Because when they say Loctite, they mean Loctite. We're going to wrap around the front. Then we're going to come back over here again. We're going to get our glue. Then we're going to come back to the front. We're just going to lift under our lip. Put some of this Loctite in there. Just press down for a second. Notice we saved all of our fingers from any kind of Loctite incidents. Now we have these little, I'll show you right here, googly eyes. Again, every single craft store in the entire United States has them. On our googly eyes, we're going to push back the bill of his hat. We're going to put a dot of glue right here. Okay. We're going to put a pretty decent blob on there. We're going to put his nose on, which is just a pom-pom. We're going to get our Paint Couture copper, rose gold, I'm sorry, not copper. We're going to come in here with our art brush, dip our art brush, and then just start slowly making our polka dot. And we don't even have to really dip into the paint. We're going to take our piece of twine that we have. Then we're going to tie a knot. Then we're going to come back over and make this super cute bow at the top. Then you've got a perfect ornament. And all we need to do is use some of our warm gold gilding wax. You just put your finger in, hold him, put your finger in. We're just highlighting. That's our final product that we have. So we created both of these guys, and you just make their hair do whatever you want it to. But we created both of those guys in under 30 minutes. Super fun and awesome project, guys. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in tonight, and I hope you have as much fun with your family making these as I do every year.